How to log into Reelshot. Already have a Reelshot account. Logging in is quick and easy, getting you straight back to your projects. This guide will show you how to access your Reelshot account on your iPhone. Start by opening the Reelshot app on your iPhone. Usually, it doesn't require us to log in or create an account. But if it's a newer version, it might require us. So, look for the login or sign in option. Tap on it and carefully enter a registered email address or username and password into the respective fields. After entering the credentials, tap on the final login or sign in button. If your details are correct, you will be taken directly to your Reelshot projects or the main editing interface, which will show like this. Welcome back to Reelshot. You've successfully logged into Reelshot. Continue creating a video masterpiece. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot uses tips.